Today I'm fixing a ceiling fan, or rather, the pull string. There's supposed to be a cord coming out of there, like this one. So this is the replacement I bought, and I'm just going to swap them out here. And it should be super easy. They're already labeled. You got your line in, and then 1, 2, and 3 speed settings. I took this off the fan in the bedroom. Pretty easy. You just pop out the 3 screws, or however many. Alright, I've got the old piece taken off. New piece is on. And I've got to take this off and run it through this hole. And then it'll be ready to put back on the fan. Okay, I've got it hooked up to the fan right there. There's my new fan pull chain. And now it's just a matter of testing it to make sure it works before I put all this stuff back together. It's working. And there it is back together. It's working.